Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve mixed exercise from Chapter 7 Algebraic Method A Level Pure Maths, question number 4, 5 and 6. Now we will start today's lecture. Question number 4 is, show that x minus 3 is a factor of 2 raised to power 2 into x raised to power 3 minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15. First of all, we will take f of x is equal to this function 2x cube minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15. Now put x is equal to 3 to prove that x minus 3 is a factor of this. So 2 into 3 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 3 raised to power square minus 17 into 3 plus 15. Now 2 into 3 raised to power 3 means 27 minus 2 into 3 square is 9 minus 51 plus 15. So this will become 54 minus 18 minus 51 plus 15. So 54 minus 51, we will write this first, and minus 18 plus 15. 54 minus 51 is 3 and minus 18 plus 15 is minus 3. So this is equal to 0. It's mean x is equal to 3 is the function, is the factor of this polynomial. Now we will solve the b part of this. Now question number 4, b part is, express 2x cube minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15 in the form of x minus 3 into ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are the values to be found. So we will solve this question by division method. Divide 2x cube minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15 by x minus 3 and find the remainder is 0. So 2x cube minus 2x square minus 17x plus 15, and we have x minus 3. Multiply x by a number to get 2x cube. So take 2x cube divided by x. This will give you 2x raised to power 3 minus 1, 2x square. So you will write 2x square. 2x square multiply x is 2x cube minus 6x square. Now circle the old sign and get the new sign. 2x cube minus 2x cube is cancel 0. Minus 2x square plus 6x square is plus 4x square minus 17x plus 15. Now you will take 4x square by just multiplying this by 4x. So this will be equal to the 4x square. 4x multiply minus 3 is minus 12x. Circle the old sign and get the new sign. Minus 17x plus 12x is 5x minus plus 15. Now we will multiply by minus 5. So the last function will be equal to the minus 5x plus 15 minus 5x plus 15. Circle the old sign and get the new signs. So remainder is 0. Now we will write this as the product form, quotient and this. So x minus 3 will be multiplied by 2x square plus 4x minus 5. Now compare this to this ax cube, ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to find the value of a, b and c. So what is the value of a, b and c? So a is equal to the 2, b is equal to the 4, and c will be equal to the minus 5. So this is the solution of this question. Now we will solve question number 5. Now question number 5, a part is show that x minus 2 is the factor of x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 18. We will solve this question by taking f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 18. Now put x is equal to 2. If the answer is equal to 0, it's mean 2 is the factor of this polynomial. So put x is equal to 2, 2 raised to power 3 plus 4 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 18. 2 raised to power 3 means to multiply 3 times, which is equal to 8, plus 2 square 4 into 4 is 16 minus 8 minus 18. So we will get 3 into 2 is 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2 and plus 16 minus 18 is equal to minus 2. So plus 2 and minus 2 is cancel out and we will get answer is 0. It's mean x minus 2 is factor of given polynomial. Now we will solve the b part. Now question number 5, b part is express the given function in the form of this. It's mean you will divide this polynomial by x minus 2. So x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 18 and divide this by x minus 2. X multiply by x square, it will give x cube. X square multiply 2 is minus 2x square. Now circle the old sign and get the new signs. X cube minus x cube is cancel out. 4x square plus 2x square is 6x square minus 3x minus 18. Now we will get 6x square when x is multiplied by 6x. So this will give 6x square plus minus minus 12x. Circle the old sign and get the new sign. 6x square minus 6x square is cancel out. Minus 3x minus 12x is minus plus minus minus. So 12 minus 3 is 9x minus 18. Now multiply this by 9x is plus 9. So this will give you 9x minus 18. Multiply 9 into x minus 2 give 9x minus 18. So circle the old sign and get the new sign. 9x minus 9x is 0 minus 18 and plus 18 is 0. Now you will write this question as in the form of product such that you will write x minus 2 into x square plus 6x plus 9. So you will write x minus 2 and this will be equal to x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. So this will become the formula of x minus 2 into x plus 3 whole square. Now you have to compare the values of x minus 2 into p of x plus q, and our answer is x minus 2 and x plus 3 whole square. Now what are the values of p and q? By comparing this we will get p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 3. So p is 1 and q is equal to 3. So this is the required answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 6. Now the question number 6 is factorize completely f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 18x plus 8. First of all, we will find the factor of this by put x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 18 into 2 plus 8. So this will be equal to 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 36 plus 8. Now we will get 16 plus 12 is 28. So 28 plus 8 minus 36. So 36 minus 36 is equal to the 0. It's mean x minus 2 is the factor. So x minus 2 is factor of f of x. Now we will solve this by division method. We will divide the given by x minus 2. To make 2x cube, we will multiply x by 2x square. So this will become 2x cube minus 4x square. Now circle the old sign and get the new signs. 2x cube minus 2x cube is cancelled. 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square minus 18x. Now to get 7x square, we will multiply this by 7x. So this is 7x square minus 14x. Now circle the old sign and get the new signs. 7x square minus 7x square is cancelled out. Minus 18x plus 14x is minus 4x plus 8. Now we will multiply the given function by minus 4 to get the required terms. Minus 4x plus 8. Now circle the old terms and get the new terms. All the numbers are cancelled out and we will get the 0. So we will write this as x minus 2 into 2x square plus 7x minus 4. Now we will make the factor of 2 into 4 8 such that when they are subtracted gives 7. X minus 2 is right as, and then we have 2x square plus 8x minus x minus 4. Now take 2 as common, 2x as common, remaining is x plus 4, and take minus 1 is common, we will get x plus 4. Now the factors are x minus 2, x plus 4 and 2x minus 1. So this is the required answer of this question. I hope you understand all the questions. In the next video, we will solve next question of this exercise. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.